Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Fire Stick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to sync and pair a Fire Stick remote that won't connect. Now, first things first, what you want to do is actually replace the batteries in the Amazon Fire TV Stick remote control. So you want to make sure you have new batteries or change the position of them. Then, what we need to do is actually unplug the Fire Stick from the power outlet, so we can turn it completely off and then reboot it. So that's the first step we want to do. That should take around a minute to restart your Amazon Fire TV Stick, and what we'll need to do for the second part is put our remote control into pairing mode, and we do this when the Amazon Fire TV Stick relaunches and comes back on. We want to hold down the home button on the remote control for around 15 to 25 to 30 seconds, around that time, and the green light on your remote control should start to flash. This means that the remote is in pairing mode, and a box should pop up on your screen. Mine won't, as I've already connected my remote, but it should say something like no TV remote detected. What you'd want to press then is either the home button or the middle circle button, which is the select button. This should then pair your remote to your Amazon Fire TV Stick. If you're still having trouble, make sure you're close enough to your Amazon Fire TV Stick. So get closer. If it's behind the TV, make sure you put your hand behind the TV to bring the remote closer to the Fire Stick. So if you found that helpful, don't forget to smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Fire Stick tutorials like this one. And thanks for watching.